Hey guys, in the previous video we showed you how the Jenkins server was configured and how the checkbox application was built and deployed through a post build. Now we shall be doing the same for the iTrust application. Right now I'm inside my Ansible server from wherein I'm going to be configuring my Jenkins server to build and deploy the iTrust application in a post build manner. As you can see, the current task is installing Ansible on the Jenkins server. Um, these installations move on fast because due to the idempotent nature of our commands, if a package is already installed on the server, it skips the installation. So once the Jenkins server is configured and once the iTrust application is built using Jenkins, the post build action will trigger the provisioning of a new VM, which will act as the server to host the iTrust application. And the IP address of this new server will be 192.186.40.40. And once the post build has completed, we can verify that the application is up and running by typing out this IP address in the web browser along with the right port assigned during VM provision. As you can see, the Ansible script is done running and our Jenkins server is set up and the jobs have been built. And now we shall take you into the web browser to look at the post build task of the Jenkins build. Now, as you can see, we are in the Jenkins server and the iTrust job is queued for building. Now, let's take a look at the console output. So ideally once the build succeeds, the post build action will be invoked, and that will in turn trigger the a trigger of Ansible playbook that will provision a new VM that which will act as a server for the new application and configure the various dependencies on the new server that requires the iTrust application to run. As you can see, the build has succeeded and we have moved on to the post build task, which is now installing the various dependencies needed on the new server. Now the post build task has also completed successfully, and our application is up and running. Let's now verify this by going to the specified IP address in the browser. As you can see, the iTrust application is up and running, and let's log in as a sample user. And as you can see, the user can now access his dashboard. And that's it for now, guys. See you in the next milestone.